Hi class, today we will be learning about the life cycle of a sunflower. The life cycle of a sunflower consists of 6 different stages. We have seeds, roots, sprout, baby plant, adult plant, and finally the seeds fall. On the right side of the screen you can see a diagram that depicts the life cycle of a sunflower. The first stage is seeds. Sunflowers start off as a small seed. The seeds are wrapped in a hard seed coat that protects them. Seeds can be black with cream-colored stripes or all black. The seeds are planted in the soil in the spring when the weather is warm. Sunflower seeds are even edible, and I'm sure some of you guys have had them before. The second stage is roots. Germination is what happens to a seed that has been dormant or asleep. With enough sunlight, water, and warmth, it will sprout. Once germinated, a root develops and grows into the soil. Roots are like straws and absorb the water and nutrients a plant needs from the soil. As the plant continues to grow, so does the root, acting like an anchor for the flower. The third stage is a sprout. After 5 to 12 days, the seed coat gets soft in the warm soil and breaks off. This is called sprouting. A green little shoot will push up through the soil. The sprout is slowly reaching for the sun. The fourth stage is a baby plant. A sprout will grow into a baby plant or seedling. This is a stem and little leaves. It starts with little leaves and then grows new ones that are called true leaves that look different to the others. The hollow stem continues to grow and develop even more leaves. About 30 days after that, the beginning of the flower buds appear and the stem becomes harder and thicker. The fifth stage is the adult plant. The sunflower bud develops completely and opens up. The flower is mature, fully grown, and is in bloom. This is when the beauty of a sunflower is appreciated the most. The sixth stage is when the seeds fall. At this stage, the sunflower's head starts to droop and turn brown. The flower petals wilt and the whole flower shrivels. Seeds can be harvested to eat or will fall and nestle in the undergrowth where they will stay dormant or asleep through the winter. In the warm spring, the seeds that have fallen will begin to germinate and grow all over again. Some fun facts about sunflowers. Kansas is called the sunflower state. Its state flower is the sunflower. Sunflowers display a heliotropism behavior that means they face the east early in the morning and then they follow the sun west as the earth moves during the day. The world's tallest sunflower has reached 30 feet and 1 inch. Sunflowers are native to America and have been used by Native American Indians for food, oil, medical ointments, body paint, and dyes. Each flower can contain 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. They are made up of thousands of tiny flowers called florets that are in the center bloom of the flower.